how to add Printify products to TikTok shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So adding or selling different Printify products to your TikTok shop is actually very straightforward and very simple, which is not even needed it's not even going to take all of our time for today's video. So majority of what I will do is first I will discuss how you will be able to connect it with your TikTok shop, of course. Then after that, we're going to be exploring and creating different products in our Printify over here. So let me create some random designs over here that we could import later on into our Printify as part of the design. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to first connect our store in Printify. I would recommend that you first create a store before you create a product. So before I've created a product and I forgot to connect the store and it did not allow me to import the product that I have already created because I did not connect a store yet. So if you don't want your products or if you don't want to redo the creation of your product, I recommend that you first connect your store. And it's very easy. When you first have your account, you could easily see over here on our dashboard. We have connect your store over here, or you could also do it over here on the top section or top left section over here. We can click on manage my store or add a new store. So let's click on manage my store over here. So I don't have any store connected yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a new store over here. So there are many platforms that you are able to connect to. As you can see, you have Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, Pop-Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, and so on and so forth. And you can see TikTok over here. Simply click on TikTok and over here create your store. For right now, it is currently required for you to be able to use the TikTok US version. As you can see, you need to have the US version or like the US region version. So if you're from another region, unfortunately, you cannot create a Printify TikTok shop directly, or you cannot connect it directly to your Printify. Although you could do some alternatives or like middleman where you use Shopify as your middleman and connect Shopify and TikTok, then Shopify and Printify. You could do that as well, but this is the direct main path over here. And as you can see, what you're just simply going to do is I want to create a new store, then enter your name, and you're just basically going to connect your TikTok shop. So over here, TikTok for now, click on connect. Then over here, you're going to have to check some boxes over here. Check that I have a TikTok shop account. Check that I have selected the seller shipping option in my TikTok store. As you can see here, this is for extra instructions over here that you would need to set up. Here, shipping for TikTok shop. So in the seller center over here, you're going to navigate to your orders fulfillment section or fulfillment, and you're going to change the information over here in the pickup warehouse. So you're going to change it into the options that you're seeing right now. This one over here. You're going to have to add or modify your pickup and return warehouse, which are this information over here. Because of course, the product being sent by Printify is not coming from us; it's coming from them. So you have to set this up as pickup and return. And there's more information over here. I suggest that you guys check this out so that you guys could uh, modify or like adjust your TikTok shop right away. And anyway, after that, simply click on connect and a pop-up would appear that will prompt you to log into your TikTok shop. So you're just basically going to enter your TikTok shop account and you should be able to easily connect it with Printify, and after that, you're good to go. Now, after you're connecting your store, we can now easily just simply create a product. Now, when creating a product, you're going to choose between the different catalogs available over here. There's all kinds of catalogs, all kinds of products that you can create designs on, which is really great. So over here, as you can see, we have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, all kinds of items over here that we can easily create and create a design for. So let's go with something very simple, the most basic one. Let's go and create a basic t-shirt for men's over here. Now, when creating the design for your Printify, I would recommend that you utilize something like Canva over here because you can easily create really cool designs in Canva. Let me delete all of this random stuff here. delete this, delete this, delete this. These are just random stuff. And anyway, you can click on elements over here, and then you can easily create any design that you want as long as you search for a specific topic. For example, since it's almost February, we could easily create our heart themed t-shirt over here. So let's create a very simple t-shirt design over here. So let's have that. Then let's have cat over here. Let's say, let's go with something very fun for now. Very iconic. Something like this. So let's say this is our t-shirt design. I know it's very simple, but you could create very complex and very amazing designs in Canva. Just depends on your creativity. And over here, our Printify is still loading. So let's maybe try it again over here. Or let's go back to our dashboard over here and see what will happen. Oh, there we go. So we now got through. So we're now going to choose from the different types of t-shirts. So we have unisex heavy cotton tee over here. We have short sleeves. We have t-shirt, soft style, or garment dyed t-shirt. You can see. So there are certain difference between the design location, as you can see. But anyway, you could also differentiate with the pricing over here. It has different pricing. Like this one is more expensive than our soft style over here. So let's go with this one. So you can see information about this, description, like the different colors, sizing, so on and so forth. You can see. You can also choose manually over here of who you want to be the providers of your t-shirt. So anyway, let's click on start designing. And over here, we now have our t-shirt. So we could select different variants over here. We could choose as many variants as we want. There we go. Let's say I have all kinds of dark gray over here. And I'm going to download our image over here really quick. On download, then let's go with a transparent background. So we don't have the white over here. There we go. Now simply drag and drop the image that you have downloaded. There we go. It's going to be added to the library, and we will be able to have it onto our designer. Now, simply make it bigger, as you can see. And now after you add your design, of course, we could also click on preview over here so that we can see some mock-ups on what our design would look like. As you can see, you could add some back signs, by the way. This is what it would look like after it's folded. This is what it would look like when our person over here wears our item. Anyway, let's go back to our edit. You could edit more things over here on the left side. You could add some AI image, text, so on and so forth. But after you design your items, if you click on save product, now you can now modify or publish your product over here, as you can see. Wherein we're going to enter your title, description, and so on and so forth. But it will be available, or that part will be available when you connect your store. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.